that I ran into when reinstalling the side trim was that the fiber mat had raised the carpet too much. Therefore, I was unable to place these pieces, including the B pillar and the C pillar. So I had to remove everything, right where my hands are, that gap is, to get these pieces to settle. I did put some CLD behind this piece right here. It makes the plastic much more high quality, reinforces it. It's a really nice touch. Just put some CLD. Doesn't have to be 100% coverage. 25% coverage is just fine. When it comes to the B pillar, I actually did put 2-inch fiber mat in this slot. The rest of the B pillar is 1/2-inch fiber mat. I did put CLD all throughout this. It came out incredible, guys. I'm super happy with the results. Again, coming back here, all this had to be taken out to get these pieces to settle. When it comes to the C pillar right here, I wanted to show you guys. Right here, you'll notice this pocket. The reason for this pocket is because of this piece right here, the seatbelt. What will happen is that the fiber mat will press up against the seatbelt, and the seatbelt will not retract. So here's a look of, again, what you're going to be dealing with. This is all 1/2-inch in here. I actually had some 2-inch. I took it out. It wasn't settling against this. I actually will probably put about a piece of 1/2-inch fiber mat right here to fill these gaps in. But you want to leave this pocket, guys. It's very important. All right. Let me tell you, I was taking this trim off, putting it back on. It's really annoying. It's much more enjoyable when you can do this stuff the first time. Mistake I made on the trunk, which I had put in the description in my prior videos, that I had 2-inch back here. The 2-inch was too much. Right now I've just got the CLD behind this plastic. I probably could fit 1/2-inch. I'm just not doing it right now. So I had to take all that 2-inch fiber mat off. Right here on this piece, I took off all the CLD behind this. I took off all the fiber mat and mass loaded vinyl substitute right here. This piece would not settle, ladies and gentlemen. And when I went to press it down, it actually broke right here. So it sucks. It's annoying. Behind these two pieces right here, I did remove the factory cotton, and those pieces settled much easier after I got rid of that factory cotton. I actually don't think I put CLD on these pieces, so I'll likely take those off and put CLD on these two plastic bumper holders, whatever you want to call them. When it comes to like this piece right here, again, this goes up there. You can see the coverage it's probably about, whatever, 25, a little less than 50%. That's just fine for these pieces. When it comes to this piece right here, again, all I did was, there's like diamonds up here in this piece, and I just more or less spread out the CLD. Much higher quality piece once the CLD is on. Let's see, what else do I have for you guys? That's about it, guys. Just take your time doing this. Don't be in a rush. It's very easy to break this plastic trim. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Good luck in your sound deadening project.